Welcome back to Ideaplex, where we explore the future of creativity powered by AI. Imagine being able to create a cinematic video, complete with camera angles, smooth motion, and realistic subjects using just a single sentence. Or designing a poster where the text actually looks like it came out of Photoshop, not a broken jumble of letters. That's the promise of Dreamina 3.0, CapCut's brand new AI upgrade. And today we're breaking down exactly how it works, what makes it different, and whether it could be the tool that finally changes how creators like us approach images and video. Before we dive into Dreamina, let's zoom out. The AI space right now is crowded. Midjourney dominates image generation, Runway and Pika Labs lead in AI video, and Stable Diffusion powers countless experimental platforms. The problem is, each of these tools shines in one area but falls short in another. Midjourney makes gorgeous stills but can't handle text. Runway creates cinematic clips but lacks consistency across shots. Dreamina is interesting because it's trying to solve both sides, images and video, under one roof. Now let's talk about video, because this is where Dreamina really flexes its muscles. With most AI video tools, you type a prompt and get one short clip. Dreamina flips that around. With Video 3.0 Pro, you can generate multiple angles and shots from a single prompt, and instantly receiving a wide shot, a close-up, and even a panning view. It's basically giving you a storyboard in seconds. The motion also feels more realistic. Older AI models often struggled with warping characters, melting hands, or glitchy backgrounds. Video 3.0 Pro smooths that out with natural physics, consistent subjects, and expressive movement. Characters actually move like humans instead of mannequins. On top of that, the overall quality feels cinematic. The lighting, the color grading, and the vibe of the videos are far closer to what you'd expect from a professional music video or a short film. It's not flawless yet, but it's getting surprisingly close. What I also like is the flexibility. Dreamina allows you to input image references, adjust aspect ratios, and guide the scene toward your vision. That's a big deal for creators making TikToks, ads, or even YouTube content, because it means you can adapt the output to fit your exact format. And once again, the speed is impressive. You don't have to wait for an hour-long render. You type, wait a short while, and you've got cinematic shots ready to go. Dreamina's Image 3.0, also called Seedream 3.0, isn't just a minor update. It directly addresses the three biggest frustrations creators have had with AI art tools. First, text. How many times have you tried making a poster in Midjourney and the words came out looking like gibberish? With Seedream 3.0, that problem is basically gone. The text is crisp, professional, and design level accurate. That means you can finally generate things like logos, banners, and book covers without having to fix them afterward. Second, precise editing. Instead of regenerating an entire image when you want just one small change, Seedream lets you edit with a single sentence. Want your character to wear a red jacket instead of a blue one? Done. Want to replace the background sunset with a neon city skyline? Seconds later, you've got it. That level of control saves creators hours. Third, style consistency. This is huge for branding. You can upload a reference photo or visual style, and Dreamina will keep the same aesthetic across multiple outputs. For marketers, designers, or anyone building a series of visuals, that's a lifesaver. On top of all that, everything is rendered at native 1K resolution, and it's fast. No waiting in long queues, no extra upscaling steps. You type your idea, and within seconds, you've got a polished image ready to use. Dreamina, with Image 3.0 and Video 3.0 Pro, is positioning itself as the bridge between the two worlds. It handles both visuals and motion in a professional way, with speed and precision. That's a bold move, and if adoption grows, it could shake up the industry. Here's why this matters. Tools like Dreamina are lowering the barrier to creativity. You no longer need expensive cameras, big teams, or endless Photoshop hours to tell a story. If you have an idea, you can bring it to life in minutes. That doesn't mean human creativity is going away. If anything, it means our ideas become the most valuable currency. The people who can dream big and tell great stories will thrive because the technical barriers are disappearing. Is the bar in AI-assisted creative workflows. They're closing gaps in consistency, editing ease, speed, and professionalism, making them a standout choice for creators. Dreamina AI 3.0 refers to two significant new models: Seedream 3.0, an advanced image generation model that produces lifelike, high-resolution images with improved text rendering and artistic precision, and Video 3.0 Pro, a text-to-video and image-to-video model praised for its multi-shot capabilities, allowing consistent generation of multiple scenes from a single prompt for more cohesive storylines. Both are part of the Dreamina AI platform, integrated with CapCut, and are designed for professional and creative use in design and video production. So here's my question for you. Would you actually use Dreamina to replace traditional design and editing tools? Or do you see it more as a supplement to your creative workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how you'd use it. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more deep dives into the future of AI and creativity. This is Ideaplex. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.